Another free online website that I use in my classroom is Prodigy. You just go to prodigygame.com. This is all for math, and I like it because you can choose your state, you can choose your standards, you can control what math problems they work on and when they work on them. And the game is like, it's a game that kids right now like to play. You walk around, you have an avatar that you can upgrade as you get more problems correctly, and you can walk around to different lands and battle each other or battle other people. And you battle by doing a math problem of my choosing. And if you get the problem correctly, you get to hit the opponent, and either you win or lose depending on how you did and how they did. It's amazing to me that this is completely free. Students can buy an upgraded version for about $10 a month on their own, and they can link their school account to it. So I would go in and set my classroom, this is my old classroom from last year. So I've created it. They can take a placement test. I've added my students. So you can kind of see over here. And if a parent wants to get connected, they can, so they can see how their kids are doing. I encouraged them to, but as you can see, not very many of them did. I know a lot of students did report playing Prodigy at home. Here is the planner, and this is where I can go in and choose which skills I want them to work on, and from a start date to an end date, I can look at reports and see their progress, their comprehension, who used it, when they used it, and then the weekly activity. I really like, I really like this one because it shows the class as a whole, and it kind of shows me what I need to work on. So to them, they're playing a game with math problems, but I can use the progress reports to further guide my instructions. So I've used this website for 3 years, and I will continue to use it as long as it keeps current with the Common Core standards. I think it's a really great resource. Thank you.